Hello, hi everyone. Okay, today we are unboxing one unit HG mechanic. This one don't have a specific scale, but it's based on a very big kit. We resize to maybe a HG size, but not specific 144 scale. So this name is NEUE AMX-002. So this one image, the info here. Then we have front view, rear view, another info. So info HG mechanic number 2. So previous we unboxing the drum. So the drum number 1 is number 2. So gimmick here, and it's got RX78PO3 and Zaku, tinggal Zaku here. So you can see what I have inside. So the manual, I think the manual same as previous. We open like this because of the big parts. So start with the main body, continue the main body. So got some cable here need to cut, and the action base and the pilot figure at the bottom here. And this is the info for these kits. The pilot figure is want to paint because it come all white, and this also all white. Here color guide here. More info. This is a unit and finish. You got two mobile suit. So another image for this kit. So see them. Now here I already put some like this. Here runner B for the main body. So this runner A, some item already removed here. A, and this is this runner C2, and another one is C1. See for action base here and some detail inside. And this is D1, is a mobile suit runner. So like Zaku here, and RX GP03S. It is a beam saber effect part, same as here. Okay, so and one cable. This part already put some. Okay, so we do the speedbook and review later. Okay, thank you.